Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's Canva tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can easily expand your photos using Magic Expand. First thing we need to do is choose a canvas size. So here we are on the Create a Design screen and I'm just going to select a 5x7 canvas. Next, we need to upload an image that we're going to use. So for this example, I'm going to use this photo of some pom-pom ghosts. As we can see now, that image sits nicely in the center of our canvas, but we're going to pop it up to the top and we're just going to use the handles in the corner and drag it so that it fills the canvas. And as we can see now, we've got a purple line going all the way around, but at the bottom we have a small gap that's left. Now we can obviously expand it further so that the purple frame does cover most of the canvas, but as we can see, it's now come outside of that frame and some of our photo gets chopped off. So to get around the issue and to fill in the gap at the bottom, we're going to head up to Edit, and here we can see now we're given some options for Magic Studio, and we've got background remover, magic eraser, and if we slide across we have got Magic Expand. If we select that option, we can now see we have some further options. We can crop or expand, and as we can see here, Expand has a small crown, which means that that is a Canva Pro feature. If you would like to try out Canva Pro for free for 30 days, then there's a link in the description that if you click on there, that will give you a free trial where you can try out this feature and any of the other amazing features that are contained within Canva Pro. Next thing we need to do is select a size, so we can select from freeform, whole page or one-to-one. So we're going to select whole page, and when we select that, we should see this purple frame around the edge should extend to cover the bottom part that has currently got no picture in. So there we can see now that's now extended, and once we're happy with that, we now need to select Expand. Canva is now going to work its magic, and now we can see from this main picture that the photo has been expanded now to fill the whole of the canvas, and we do have 4 options. They are very similar. Depending on the photo, you may have more of an area that needs filling in, and if at first you're not happy with the results, then you can simply select Generate New Results and it will generate you 4 new images that you can select from. But I'm going to select the first one. I'm happy with that one, and once you are done, simply click Done, and there you have it. Now your image is the full size of your canvas, even though the image that you started with wasn't. And that is a great way of extending your photos using Magic Expand inside of Canva. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.